Hi, I'm Jayani from PeckishMe in collaboration with Cocktail Lanka, and today I'm going to be making a hot toddy with arrack. First off, I'm going to be mixing my arrack with some kettle treacle. I'm going to give it a good whisk. Which I am then going to divide between these two glasses. That looks like liquid gold, doesn't it? So I'm going to take my cinnamon stick and break it in two, drop it into the two glasses, add a squeeze of lime, and top it up with hot water. And this I am going to now top up with slices of lemon studded with cloves. This is so that that beautiful aroma of the cloves is going to infuse in the hot water and give it that much needed spice kick. There you have it, my hot toddy.